watching Shem's Creations and this is Mahi. Many people wrote to my inbox and I picked an important question to answer today. It is nothing but how to say no. And they also mentioned in their letter they are worrying if they say no, it's going to spoil the relationship or it's going to look very rude. And I totally understand, and it's a valid emotion. Because I have gone through the same thing, and I believe everybody in their lifetime, at least once they have gone through the same thing and we stuck or we don't know how to say no. And we would be thinking the same thing. If I say no, will it going to spoil the relationship? Or it's going to look very rude, right? Okay, let us see. Let me start with my life example, what I have crossed. When I was in 3rd standard, I think I was 8 years old, and I used to go to a provision stores to buy the groceries every single day. And that provision store owner used to call me as his wife. I didn't even know why he's calling in that way. I don't know how to react. Even I don't know what's this wife kind of thing. So when my mom came to know, she came with me and told that uncle, hey, I'm not comfortable you are calling my daughter as your wife. So don't do that. Immediately that person apologized to my mom and stopped calling me in that way. Okay, but I understood and I observed. Yes, I was uncomfortable whenever that particular person was calling me as his wife, but I didn't know what it is and how to react. Because I was only 8 years old. But I always remember that incident and I developed few techniques when I'm growing further, and I used to deal with that whenever I'm hitting that particular condition. For example, if someone is calling you honey or darling or dear, some stranger, but you completely clearly know that you are going to deal with them from now on every single day, you are going to work with them, or you are having some future business to deal with that person. Obviously, you might be worrying if you say you are not liking it, don't do that, it's going to spoil the relationship, right? I totally understand. Okay, let me get into the point, how to deal with that. Instead of using the word don't, because the don't is a rude word. Okay, so instead of saying I don't like, don't do that, don't say that, don't use the word don't. Instead, try this template. Hey so and so, I'm not comfortable, and mention what you expecting that person to do. Clear? For example, the same example, if you're calling honey and if you don't like it, say, hey Mr. X, I'm not comfortable if people are calling me by some other titles like honey and dear. I would like to be called as Mahi. So you are setting the healthy boundaries. You are conveying them you are not comfortable and telling them how to treat you. So this is absolutely right. Don't give away your power. Okay? Set healthy boundaries. You have to respect your emotions first. Okay, I always do. Even recently, in one of the WhatsApp group, my old friends asked me, do you booze? I said no. Again, after a couple of weeks during the communication, they said, do you booze? I know you are booze. You know you drink. These days ladies used to drink. When are we going for drinks? Continuous conversations. Then I said, hey, excuse me, I'm not comfortable, so please stop talking about this topic in future. Okay, so this sets the boundaries. From that day, nobody picks up that topic with me, and even nobody has any grudges or griefs to deal with. I'm free. So use this. This is very, very useful despite women, girls, men, boys, and this applies to all the age groups, because even after the age of 50, people doesn't know how to say no in a comfortable way. Simple, say you are uncomfortable. Because I do see both men and women, even after the age of 50 or after achieving lots of titles, positions, they are struggling. They didn't know how to say no. Simple. Say no in a gracious way. Say them you are uncomfortable. Set healthy boundaries. It's good for you, good for everyone. Okay? Respect your emotions. Okay? Hope you like this video and share this video. Someone might need it. If you are not, maybe someone need it. So share it. Don't forget to subscribe for further videos, further updates. Also write in the comment if you would like to know or listen any other topic or any questions. Definitely I'll come out and I'll do my best. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.